education of young minds is innovating at various levels to empower, support, and of course make the nation proud. Whether it's managing funds or battling the lack of resources, India's young are ready to go. And today on the show, we bring to you such inspiring stories on innovations from across the country. First up, a bunch of engineers are aiming for the sky literally with their flying drone. Take a look.
You often hear of an innovation inspired by a great scientist, a theory, or even a previous research done in the same field. But how often do you hear of a Bollywood movie as the inspiration source? It was three idiots that drove these youngsters to come up with what they call ZEPPELIN, an unmanned air vehicle or a flying drone. ZEPPELIN, they say, can prove useful during national calamities like the Nepal quake or Srinagar floods. The USP of the unmanned air vehicle is its low cost, says the team. It is up to 5 times cheaper than anything similar available in the market. Determined of taking the design to the government soon, the team hopes that someday the Indian Army could use a similar model for defense and safety purposes.
Since we are using the balsa wood and the plywood in this one, and everyone knew that these are very costly. But yes, we have designed in that way so that there would be minimum use of the balsa wood, which is the more costly part, and the plywood is readily available and it's quite cheap. We can use it for food dropping mechanism, just like in the case of the Nepal this time happened, and if the places who are affected by the earthquakes or floods, so we can drop some kind of food of around 5 kg, and by making it for the commercial use, commercial purposes, we can increase that too.
The brains behind this project was Vaibhav Gangawar. With an idea in mind, he entered an inter-college competition in Delhi. To his surprise, he won, and there's been no looking back.
I found out about a competition of aerodynamic things, aeronauts, that was being conducted in IIIT Delhi. So we started working on that last year in July, and for that we researched for about 2 months, made a quadcopter, multi-rotor basically, and went there and competed with 6 teams where we won the first prize, and that's basically from where all started.
The team sought the internet's help during the initial phases of the research. The concept of flying drones is still very new in the country. No surprise then that setting out on an unknown path also meant that success